From Violin English is the education report. Education is both Africa growing higher education system is important to its economic development. But Africa universities face many problems, including immigration of the students, poor infrastructure and high demand combined with a lack of money. University leaders from abroad the African continent met in Johannesburg recently to discuss how to solve this issue and order. The academics who attend the Africa University Summit say the job of educating Africa students is harder than it had to be. Engineering professor David McNagar is a vice-chancellor at the University of Dar es Salaam in Tanzania. He said the main problem facing university is the high number of students. He said there has to be a balance between having more students and keeping the quality of the education. Pinky Mac is an administrator at the University of Johannesburg. She says school face another problem, lack of money. She says parents are even tired after the 2012 economic crisis. Previous African government burgers. Osman Sen is director of the Central-based West Africa Research Center. He says it is a big problem if students get out of the university and cannot find a good job. African educators say the issues university face as well as serious as many of the other difficult problems of society such as war, famine, poverty, and quickly changing leaders. However, they say solving higher education problem may help solve the other. For violin elite